Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we solve talkback problem in our Samsung phone. Friends, you have guys your talkback problem. Friends, you want to solve and guys you don't know how to solve. So don't worry friends, today I will show you. Then guys you can solve your talkback problem in your Samsung phone. And guys now let's see how to solve talkback problem. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, you will have to guys use your two fingers. Guys, two finger guys you can operate your phone. So when one finger, click on phone setting, tap here, double tap, and scroll with your two finger, guys. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Click on guys your accessibility setting with your one finger, guys. We will click here, double tap, talk back setting, double tap. Guys, tap here this icon, double tap, turn off talk back off. Means yeah, your talk back problem is solved in your Samsung phone. Hence you can use your phone without any problem guys. Your problem is solved in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve talk back problem. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.